Welcome back to another video, and welcome to part 2 of the Ultimate Daily Driver mini-series, where I add a bunch of new parts to my 1998 GMC Safari. And in today's episode, I will be adding a new radiator, hoses, and some new coolant. And with that being said, if you don't want to miss out any more videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's go. And that is it for today's video. I know it was a short video, but I hope you enjoyed. If you don't want to miss anything, make sure to like and subscribe.